Okay, so unboxing your new Yealink IP phone, or any phone that you got. If you to remove the packaging to start off with, you'll notice inside the box you will have a number of bits and pieces here. The first one is the back kickstand, so it's very easy to put on. Simply slide it into the rails as provided, just like that. And also, if you need to slide it out, you can slide it back out. So straight into there and across. That stands the phone up on its end. The next thing will be remove the lining from this. Plug the long end into the back, into the one labelled with the telephone on it. So it look like that. That one there's for a headset. That one there's for the telephone. You plug that into there and then guide the phone line down those two holes so it comes out the side. And then from there, you will then proceed to grab the handset, which will plug on like so. We're provided with a network cable on the inside as well. The network cable is to go from either your hole in your wall through to the back of the phone, and you'll find if you plug it into, you've got two sockets in the back of the phone there. One of them will say internet and the other one will say PC. So the one you want to plug it into is the internet. So from the wall to the phone, if you have power over Ethernet, which we actually do advise, you'll find that the phone will light up straight away. If you don't have power over Ethernet, you will actually be provided with a power cable. Power cable will look similar to any normal power cable you've got, and you'll plug that into the wall, plug your power cable into the little round hole there next to the network. I'll show it to you that way. You can see the power cable hole there, so you just plug that in there, and then that's how the phone will get power. The other way you can plug these in also, if you don't have enough wall points, is you can actually daisy chain this to your computer. So anything that goes to the hole in the wall will go into the internet port of your phone, and then from there you can actually come out of the PC one here by clicking like that, and then plug this one into the back of your PC. And that way your phone will be getting a connection, but also then it will also daisy chain a connection to your PC. So it really means you only have to use one hole in the wall. Can be quite handy. So if you do need to set it up like that, that's the way you would do it. But you eventually get the lights all turn on, and it should be green there, and the light should be green on the side with your BLFs. And that's the way that you will unbox your phone.